Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, we're crafting the perfect pumpkin pie that not only tastes heavenly, but it's also a breeze to make. This isn't just any pumpkin pie, this is the ultimate easy peasy pumpkin pie. Ready to razzle dazzle your taste buds? Let's get baking. First thing first, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While our oven is preheating, we're going to get this pie completely ready. To make this the very easiest pumpkin pie recipe, you can buy a store-bought pie crust, or you can head over to our website and find our foolproof pie crust recipe. Now to prepare the filling, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, add in 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, I love this stuff, 2 large eggs. To bring out that classic pumpkin pie flavoring, we need to add in our spices. Starting off with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and don't forget about a half a teaspoon of salt for balance. Whisk everything together until it's well combined and nice and smooth. Once it's combined, it's gonna look similar to pancake mixture. Pour this filling into your prepared pie crust. It's important to note that this is a standard pie dish, not a deep dish. If you used a deep dish, you wouldn't have enough of that delicious pie filling. Now it's time to bake. We're going to put our pie into our preheated oven. After that's been baking for 15 minutes at that 425 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, reduce the temperature down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let it continue to cook for 35 more minutes. The timer is one way to know that it's near completion, but a for sure way to know that it's done is if it jiggles in the center, let it cook a little bit more. If it doesn't jiggle, then it is done. Our pie is finished cooking and our house smells amazing. What you need to do now is let that fully cool before you serve it. Once it's fully cooled, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.